If the format string is %2d and data is 4, the output is 4. If the format string is %2d, the data is 224, then the output is 224. If the format string is %03d and if data is 8, then the output is 008. Since we have used 0 in the format specifier, two zeros are padded here because we have used 3t. If the format string is %-2d and if data is 4, then the output is 4. Since it is negative, it is left aligned. I mean, since the format string is of negative type, the output is left aligned. If the format string is %5s and if the data is cat, it is of 3 characters, then the output is cat, which is right aligned, that the initial 2 spaces are blank because we have used format specifier as %5s. If the format string is %20s and if the data is Sherlock Holmes, which is of 15 characters, the output is Sherlock Holmes right aligned. The initial 5 spaces are blank since our format string is of 20. If the format string is -20s and if the data is of Sherlock Holmes, the output is Sherlock Holmes left aligned. Since the format string is of negative type, it is left aligned and the right 5 blank spaces are free since we have format string of 20 and our data is of 15 characters. If format string is %f and the data is 22.44, then the output is 22.440000. This is because the format string is of float, which has a precision of 6 digits. Data conversion using format string. A variable of a data type can be output as another data type using the conversion character. stdio.h, the header file included. Coming to main function, int number equals 97, that is I am declaring the variable number and also initializing the value that number is enjoying a value of 97 now. Printf, value of num is %d\n number. This prints the value of number. Printf, the character equivalent of %d is %c\n number number. This prints the value of number in integer format and character format. When I execute this program, I get the output as value of num is 97. The character equivalent of 97 is A. Let us see various format specifiers used in the control string for output. Printf format specifiers. Format %c. The meaning of this is print a single character. %d means print a decimal integer. %e means print a floating point value in exponent form. %f means print a floating point value without exponent. %g means print a floating point value, either E-type or F-type. %h means print a short integer. %i means print a signed decimal integer. %o means print an octal integer. %s means print a string. %u means print an unsigned decimal integer. %x means print a hexadecimal number. We can also use some flags in between percent sign and w. A flag is a character that modifies the format specified by the other components in the control string. The various flags we can use in the control string are flag, hyphen. The meaning of this is left justify the output within the field width. 0 means left pads the number with zeros instead of spaces. Hash or number sign means forces the written output to contain a decimal point. Escape sequence characters which take the form \a character. Now let us see the various escape sequence characters used in the control string. Escape character \a, its meaning is audible alert or bell, and the purpose is to generate an audible signal. \b means backspace, and its purpose is to move the active position back one character. /f, that is \f, its meaning is form feed, and the purpose is to move the active position to the beginning of next page. \n means new line, that moves the active position to the beginning of the next line. \r means carriage return. Purpose is to move the active position to the beginning of the current line.